Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, overnight the Australian dollar took another challenge to the upside but backed away rather sharply from the resistance of 68.25.45, and in terms still looks like the market is failing there, and I do expect to see a pullback to 67.85 and possibly lower. Later today we do have the non-farm payrolls number and US Fed Chairman's speech, so do keep an eye on that. That will be at 10:30 tonight in Sydney, and then Fed Chairman speech will be 4 hours late. So that is around 2:30. The Euro posted a long-legged doji overnight and now questions whether the upside bullish correction is completed. In the flip side of this is also the dollar index posted a long-legged doji and therefore could see some uncertainty in both sides of the coin. Now, with the US dollar being weighted against the greenback strength of 6 major currencies, the fact is that Euro is now weighted at 57.6, as we know, and the price action looks like it's breaking down back to 109.85 to 80, around 80.85 that is. In terms of the rejection from that 110.80 to 111 figure, I feel the market can break down further, so keep an eye on that. Dollar yen's popped to the level of 106.8090, but not shown any real substantial evidence to a bullish move. Therefore, I believe the market is likely to fail towards 107.25 and look for a pullback to 106.30. The pound overnight surges through and the level of 122.40. Crushing that level is now exposed the region of 125, the figure 10 area. It is assessed from a technical point, it's still quite strong from the break, and from this hammer does support the move towards the top side. Gold took a significant fall and the worst since this year, after falling away from the highs of 1,552 to a low of 1,506. I'm now neutral, purely for the fact is that I wasn't surprised, a little bit to the fact, more surprised that is, that the 115, 14, 18 bullish foundations didn't hold. With the technicals a little bit more negative, I would rather wait and sit out. But also, I am looking at support though from 88.92 if we get down there. Wrapping up with oil, the market surged overnight and did nearly get to the target of $58, but backed away from 57.5 and ended flat. As long as we maintain above the level of 53.40, then I am bullish, and I do expect to see further coverage to the upside and look towards 58 as a target. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report and hope you enjoy the great start to the day and this wonderful weekend.